Hi all. So we are at the last topic of this chapter, that is the word problems of multiplication and division. Okay, the word problems of money. Word problems. And here it is word problems of multiplication and division. Okay. So I think you all know how to multiply and divide the money, isn't it? So simple. It is same as that we studied the essay one. Only the difference is that you need to separate that to rupees and paise. Okay, so just listen. What is a word problem? In the essay one chapter, whenever we are in the chapter multiplication, I already told you that how will you find out that whether a question is multiplication or division, isn't it? For example, a Milky Bar cost 5 rupees. Okay, 1 Milky Bar cost 5 rupees. So what about the cost of 5 Milky Bar? How will you find out? Okay, I already told you whenever 1 is given, you need to find out many things. You need to do the multiplication. Clear? Whenever the cost of 1 or the 1 is given, you need to find out the cost of many things. You need to do the multiplication. So here the cost of 1 Milky Bar is given 5 rupees. You need to find out the cost of 5 Milky Bar. So you can do 5 into 5, that is 25 rupees. Okay, how many cost? The cost of 5 Milky Bar is 25 rupees. One more example I will show you. Cost of one balloon. Cost of one balloon is 6 rupees. Okay, cost of the one balloon is 6 rupees. What is the cost of 3 balloons? 3 such balloons. 1. Okay, so 1 is given, you need to find out many things. So that is you need to do the multiplication. So the cost of 1 balloon is 6 rupees. So what about the cost of 3 balloons? That is 6 3s are 18 rupees. Okay, cost of 3 balloons are 18 rupees. Clear? So only the one thing, whenever you are getting the question, you need to read the question very carefully and to find out that whether it is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. In the addition, whenever we are discussing the addition, that time I told that if spending all together, what is the total cost? You need to do the addition. And subtraction, how will you find out the subtraction? Subtraction is that is left or remaining. Okay, how much money is left with him? How much money is remaining? How much money the shopkeeper needs to return? Like that comes, you need to do the subtraction. So multiplication means the 1 is given, you need to find out the many things. Okay, so all of you take the textbook, page number. Take the textbook, page number 97. Take the textbook, page number 97. Look at the first question. A pen cost, okay, sorry, only one pen is there. A pen cost 5 rupees 50 paise. Find the cost of 8 pens. So I already told you how will you start the word problem of money by writing the cost of. So cost of a pen. Cost of a pen. Okay, cost of a pen is 5 rupees 50 paise. So what do you need to find out to find the cost of 8 pence? So only 2 steps. Thus, cost of 8 pence, that is 5 rupees 50 paise into 8. Okay, you can draw the line. Rupees paise. 5 rupees 50 paise into 8. 0 into 8 is 0. Whenever we are multiplying any number by 0, the answer will be 0. 5 8s are 40, 4 carry over. Then 0 I wrote 4 carry over. 5 8s are 40, again 40 plus 4, 44. So the answer is 44 rupees. Okay, the answer is 44 rupees. Clear? So the cost of 8 pence that is 44 rupees. Okay. Then look at the next question. Find the cost of 10 erasers if one eraser cost 2 rupees 75 paise. Okay, so you already know what is eraser? That is rubber. Okay, so we already know how to multiply easily with the 10. Okay, we can check that. So cost of one eraser is 2 rupees 75 paise. Thus, cost of 10 erasers is 2 rupees 75 paise into 10. Okay, so how can you multiply that 2 rupees 75 paise into 10? The answer will be, we already studied how to multiply. You have to put one zero. Okay, whenever we are multiplying any number by 10, you need to put one zero on the right side. Then I already told you how many digits will be there in money. 2 digits only. So after 2 numbers, you need to insert the dot. So the answer is 27 rupees 50 paise. So it is easy, no need to multiply and all. So how will you multiply any number by 10? You can write the number, given number, and put to 1 0. Okay, so we got the answer. We got that 2750. Then how will you make it a rupees and money? That is rupees and paise. Paise every time 2 digits. So after 2 digit now you need to put the C dot and have to insert the rupees symbol also. Clear? So the answer is 27 rupees 50 paise. You need to write down these 2 questions in your notebook before the live session. Okay. So one more question we have. Just listen the question. Okay. We will discuss all the answers in the live session. The third question is that the cost of 1 kilogram apple is 45. Okay. So the 1 kilogram. Okay. Apple. Kilogram means that is a unit of weight that we will study in the next chapter. So 1 kilogram apple cost how much? 1 kilogram apple cost 45. So you need to find out what will be the cost of 3 kilogram apple. So 3 kilogram apple. So easy. You need to multiply 45 into 3. Clear? Try to do this third one also. Okay. Then this is the third one. So how can you write the steps? You can write it. Cost of. Okay. Cost of 1 kilogram apple. Cost of 1 kilogram apple is 45 rupees. Thus, cost of 3 kilogram apples, that is 45 into 3. Okay, you got the answer. So, rupees paise. 45, there is no paise, you can put a 0. Then 3. 0, 0, 5 3s are 15, 1 carry over, 4 3s are 12 plus 3, 130. So 135 rupees. Okay, so it is so easy to do this multiplication word problem. Okay, I think you understood that multiplication. So whenever 1 is given, you need to find out the many things, that is multiplication. Okay, so next we move to the division, word problem of money. Okay, that is division. How will you do the division? The same way, that is the total number is given, the total cost is given. Okay, we got the total cost. You need to find out a 1. For example, the total cost, the cost of 6 Milky Bar. The cost of 6 Milky Bar is 30 rupees. So what is the cost of 1 Milky Bar? Okay. So the total is given. You need to find out a 1. That you need to do the division. Okay. So 30 divided by 6. Clear? The cost of 6 Milky Bar is 30. You need to find out the cost of 1 Milky Bar. That is 30 divided by 6. In the multiplication table of 6, you are getting the answer 30 by multiplying with 5. So the answer is 5 rupees for 1 Milky Bar. Clear? One more example I will show you. Okay. That is 8x cost. Okay, 8x cost 40 rupees. 80x cost 40 rupees. So what is the cost of 1 egg? So that is total number is given. You need to find out to 1. So you need to do the division. So 40 divided by 8. In the multiplication table of 8, we got the answer 40 by multiplying with the 5. So here also the answer is 5 rupees for 1 egg. Clear? Okay, so all of you take the next page, that is page number 98. Page number 98. All of you take the page number 98. Take the page number 98, all of you. So this division of money. The cost of 6 kilogram apples is 180. What will be the cost of 1 kilogram apples? Same way. Okay, so cost of, okay, total number is given 6 kilogram. Cost of 6 kilogram apples is 180. Okay, if there is no paisa, you can put a 0. If it is not there, no problem. Okay, then what is the cost? Okay, thus cost of 1 kilogram apples. So what you need to do? 180 divided by 6. You need to divide by the 6. So total number. Okay. So you can do 180 divided by 6. Okay. Then 0. 1 is not, it is less than 6. So you can do. So 18 is there in the table. Yes. 6 3s are 18. Okay. So 18 minus 18 0. Next number 0. 0 is also less than 6. Here putting 0. So the answer is 30 rupees. Okay, so the answer of the 1 kilogram apple is 30 rupees. Why I am not putting the 0? Because you can put the 2 zeros there. Whether there is no paise, you can also put the 2 zeros in that place. If it is not there, it is also no problem. Okay, then look at the second question. Priya bought 3 pairs of shoes for 150. What will be the cost of 1 pair of shoes? So Priya bought 3 pairs of shoes for 150 rupees. What's the cost of 1 pair? Here also total number is given. You need to find out 1. So cost of 3 pairs of shoes, that is 150. Thus, cost of 1 pair of shoes, that is 150 divided by 3. Total number is 3. That's why we are dividing by 3. Okay. 150 divided by 3. 1 is less than 3. It will not go. So 15. 15 is in the table of 3 by multiplying with the 5. 15 minus 15 0. Here it is 0. 0 is less than 3. We can't do. So the answer is over. So what is the cost of 1 pair of shoe? 50 rupees is the cost of 1 pair of shoes. Clear? So the other questions, okay, that only 3 questions are there. Try to do that. Otherwise, we will discuss these all the questions in the live session. So please read the questions and familiar and come to the live session. Okay. So I hope you understood this word problem. We already completed this chapter also. Okay. So we will discuss all the other things in the live session. So thank you and have a nice day.